What happens when a young actress who apparently had a close personal connection to the deceased arrives at a funeral for someone was a sudden unexpected that has devastated the entertainment industry, and finds herself so emotionally overwhelmed that she physically cannot maintain composure or continue standing, collapsing into such complete emotional devastation that her companion has to physically support her just to keep her upright. The entertainment world is currently experiencing an absolute state of collective grief and heartbreak after Zhao Lucia's arrival at the funeral service for actor Jin Ze revealed just how deeply affected she was by his tragic death, with footage showing her experiencing such overwhelming emotion that she reportedly became physically weak and was unable to stand without support, requiring Liu Yuning to literally hold her up as she struggled to process the devastating reality that Jin Ze was truly gone. The images that have now circulated globally showing Zhao Lucia's complete emotional breakdown, tears streaming down her face so intensely that her makeup ran completely, her body apparently unable to support her own weight as grief overcame every fiber of her being, and Liu Yuning's protective arms around her keeping her from collapsing entirely have sparked profound questions about the nature of her connection to Jin Ze and have touched the hearts of millions who are witnessing genuine, devastating human emotion in response to the loss of someone deeply cared about. The burning questions that have generated over 35 billion social media impressions as the tragedy continues to grip the industry. Who was Jin Ze to Zhao Lucia that his death affected her so profoundly? What was their relationship and how close were they personally? Why did Zhao Lucia's grief response seem to suggest a deeper loss than casual professional connection? What does this moment reveal about how the entertainment industry has lost one of its brightest talents? And what can be done to prevent future tragedies when the industry clearly struggles to support its people adequately? The footage of Zhao Lucia's arrival at Jin Ze's funeral that has now been viewed hundreds of millions of times and analyzed frame by millions of people shows the exact moment when the reality of Jin Ze's death apparently hit her with full force. Video from multiple angles captures her stepping out of a vehicle with Liu Yuning, both dressed in their formal funeral attire, both apparently preparing themselves emotionally for the difficult experience of attending the funeral of someone they knew. Initially, Zhao Lucia appears to be maintaining composure, her movements measured and controlled as she walks toward the funeral venue. However, according to all eyewitness accounts and visible in the extensive footage captured, the moment when she apparently Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam something that fully registered the permanence and finality of Jin Ze's death, perhaps seeing the casket, perhaps seeing members of his family, perhaps encountering the reality of the funeral space itself, her ability to maintain emotional control apparently completely shattered. Within seconds, her entire body language transformed from composed to completely overwhelmed, her hand coming up to cover her face as tears began flowing, her movements becoming unsteady as her physical body apparently responded to the emotional devastation she was experiencing. The collapse at witnesses described Zhao Lucia undergoing was apparently not a dramatic theatrical fall but rather a gradual physical weakening where her legs apparently could no longer support her weight as the emotional overwhelm of grief overtook her entire system. According to multiple eyewitness accounts and visible in video footage, Zhao Lucia apparently became increasingly unsteady on her feet, her movements becoming less controlled, her breathing apparently becoming labored as she struggled to process the overwhelming emotion. Rather than being able to continue walking toward the funeral space under her own power, she apparently reached a point where she could no longer maintain standing without physical support. This is where Liu Yuning apparently stepped in, his protective instinct apparently kicking into high gear as he recognized that Zhao Lucia was in genuine distress and required physical support. Multiple accounts describe him wrapping his arm around her firmly, essentially taking on her full body weight in a way that prevented her from collapsing completely while also allowing her to continue forward rather than being forced to stop entirely due to her physical inability to stand. The image that has become absolutely iconic and has been reproduced in countless media outlets, fan pages, artistic renderings, and social media posts worldwide shows Liu Yuning holding up Zhao Lusi as she completely falls apart emotionally at Jin Ze's funeral. The photograph captures Zhao Lusi's face streaked with tears, her expression contorted with overwhelming grief, her body leaning heavily against Liu Yuning as he firmly supports her, his own face showing concern and emotional pain as he witnesses his apparently beloved companion experiencing such devastating emotion. The protectiveness and care visible in the way Liu Yuning is holding her, the way his body is positioned to shield her from view while also ensuring she doesn't fall, and the vulnerability of both of them in that moment has resonated powerfully with audiences worldwide. The image essentially captures raw unfiltered human grief and the way people support each other through devastating loss, creating a moment that transcends typical celebrity tragedy coverage into something genuinely moving and universally relatable. The duration of Zhao Lusi's emotional breakdown apparently extended for a significant period, with witnesses estimating that she continued cheering uncontrollably for somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes while being supported by Liu Yuning. During this time, according to multiple sources, they apparently moved to a more private area of the funeral venue to allow Zhao Lusi some degree of privacy while she processed her overwhelming grief. Other attendees apparently gave them space and showed respectful distance, understanding that what was happening was a deeply personal moment of profound loss. Family members of Jin Ze and close friends apparently came to express support and sympathy, with several people apparently hugging both Zhao Lusi and Liu Yuning, creating a moment of collective mourning and support. The image of the entertainment community gathering around TC2 to offer comfort in response to the devastating loss they were experiencing has been described as incredibly touching and demonstrates the way genuine community can form in response to tragedy. The specific relationship between Zhao Lusi and Jin Ze that apparently made his death hit her with such devastating force has become the subject of intense discussion and speculation throughout the entertainment industry and among fans. While official information about the exact nature of their relationship remains limited, multiple sources close to both have indicated that they apparently had a close personal connection that went beyond simply being colleagues or industry acquaintances. Some sources have suggested they had worked together on previous projects and had developed genuine friendship and possibly deeper personal connection. Others have indicated they were part of the same social circle within the entertainment industry and spent time together in non-professional contexts. The death of Zhao Lusi's emotional response to his death strongly suggests that Jin Ze was genuinely important to her personally, was a loss she was experiencing as deeply personal rather than professional tragedy. Reports that have emerged from multiple sources suggest that Zhao Lusi and Jin Ze had a connection that involved regular communication, spending time together, and genuine mutual care and affection. Whether their relationship was romantic or a platonic friendship remains unclear based on available information, but the authenticity and intensity of her grief response clearly indicates that he mattered deeply to her. The devastation visible in her breakdown at the funeral speaks to Someone processing the loss of a person who held significant emotional importance in her life. Someone was absence would create a genuine void that would take time to process and come to terms with. Multiple entertainment insiders have described Zhao Lusi and Jin Ze as being close, with one source noting they were definitely more than just professional colleagues. They clearly cared deeply about each other and spent genuine personal time together outside of work contexts.